Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to talk about how to add to your desktop in Windows 8 a shortcut to a web page. Of course, in most of the software to go to the web like Firefox, Chrome, and Internet Explorer, what happens is you've got your favorites or your favorite bar or toolbar, and basically people use the favorites in most of their browsers to keep web pages that they want to visit. But on some web pages that we visit very often, we might want to have shortcuts directly on the desktop of Windows, and that makes it easier to access very fast access to our favorite websites. Now, one of the reasons why we have a start page in most browsers is the fact that usually the start page we want is always the website we visit the most often. But we usually have, several websites. For example, I have access very often. I have access to Outlook.com, to Gmail, and also my local newspaper here in Montreal that I like to read. And so maybe you want to have more than just using the favorites. You might actually want to have these shortcuts on your desktop for fast access of these websites. So how do you do it? It's exactly the same thing on all browsers. I will still show you on each browser how it works. Basically, you take your favorite browser. So if I use, for example, Google Chrome, go into your favorite website. So for example, I want to go to my local newspaper that I read here, and I want to have this page as a shortcut on my desktop in Google Chrome. Well, all I do, minimize Google Chrome actually by going into the restore down, that's called, right in the middle, just to the left of the red X, so that you'll have a smaller page and that you can see at the same time as you see the page, you see your desktop. Once you're there, go into the address bar at the top where you have your address. Click on the little sheet of paper right to the left of the address bar. There's like a little sheet of paper here. Click and hold and just drag it on your desktop. And there you go. You've got a shortcut to your favorite web page. Now here you see that the icon is Internet Explorer. Why? Because by default I am using Internet Explorer in this portion of Windows 8. So if I click, I'll have the same page but in Internet Explorer. Now if your default browser is Chrome, you'll see that the icon has a little Chrome, or if it's Firefox, it can have a little Firefox kind of Firefox icon. One thing also, you might have an icon that looks more like an icon for a website. For example, I'll use Firefox to show you that it works on all browsers. I want to have the google.com start page. What I'll do is click right left of the address, click and hold, and just drag it on the desktop once again, and you'll have Google. And here you've got a Google shortcut. So any website that you want to have a shortcut, it all works the same. Just click your favorite browser, go to your favorite website, for example Outlook.com. If you want to see your email, just drag, just lower it, just make the window a little smaller, and drag from the address bar into the desktop. And there we go. We've got now a shortcut to go to my Outlook email. It's as easy as that. And if you've got 3 or 4 websites that you visit several times a day. I think it's a cool way to have quick access to whatever site that you're going to visit, and have these little shortcuts on your desktop. If you enjoy these videos and want to learn more about Windows 8, maybe you've got that new machine, well, hey, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any questions, maybe you have a request of a feature you'd like us to have a video on in Windows 8, let us know. And if you've got that new Windows 8 machine, you're a little lost, this is a great channel to be to learn more about using Windows 8. So hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye-bye.